Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking the video. Guys, medyo marami tayong upload kasi guys, honestly, ang daming backlog. As you know, medyo matagal ako nawala sa ere. That's why maraming mga questions na hindi ko nasasagot. Okay, sorry about that. But now, as I've mentioned, I'm back. Gusto ko sa inyo magkwento. Parang sabik nga ako, no? As you can see, medyo grabe yung upload natin. Gabi nga ngayon, guys. So, wala lang. Gusto ko lang talaga mag-upload. Maybe it can help out kasi somehow. So, meron tayong subscriber. Ito siya, yung concern niya. Yan. Sana mailagay ko na maayos, ha? Dito or dyan, ha? So, ang sabi niya, guys, is that, gusto niyang, he's actually technical support, kaya lang, nahihirapan daw siya, nai-stress daw siya, etc. Talagang nahihirapan siya. Guys, gusto ko lang sana i-clarify a few things. First of all, kung naging technical support ka, just like me, I've been in a tech support for, if I isuma-suma ko, mga 14 years na rin, no? So, congratulations. Because it means to say na you have what it takes. Magaling kang communication skills mo sa English, meron kang somehow analytical mind, right? To digest the problem and solve. So, congrats. Pero guys, kung ganito yan, if you are really experiencing stress every single day, and I've known a lot of people, guys, na nag-work sa call center, na na-stress sila as a tech support. For me, guys, kung talagang hindi nyo kaya, ganito yan yung parang pag pumapasok ka, bigat-bigat na, talagang tapos everyday parang struggle na sa'yo, nararamdaman mo na hindi ka na masaya, yan, okay. Sorry guys, nahubas yung battery, hindi ko na, kasi galing ko lang atid okay? So, that's it guys. Kung hindi ka na masaya guys, nandiyan na ako, di ba kanina? So, kung hindi ka na masaya, yung talagang nahihirapan ka na, and everyday nagkakaroon ka na ng panic, kung sinabihan ka, may nagawa kang di mali, tapos nagpapanik ka, tapos yung everyday guys, nag-struggle ka na talaga pumasok, masyado kang concerned sa mga customer survey, kung nagawa mo yung tama, tapos nararamdaman mo guys na although pumapasa ka, pero alam mo yun, yung parang pinapasang awa ka na lang ng coach mo, ganon. So guys, baka kasi hindi sa'yo para yung tech support, okay? You can either do two things. One, of course, kung talagang na-assess mo na hindi mo kaya, first of all, talk ka sa supervisor mo. Kasi, kunyari, nasa call center ka naman na marami naman siyang accounts, di ba? Pwede ka nila i-transfer dun sa other accounts na hindi naman tech support. Let's say, customer service lang. Pangalawa, of course, worst thing scenario, hopefully not, yun na nga yung resignation. Pero guys, ganito yung maganda dyan. Dapat kasi, guys, consult mo muna sa sa coach mo kasi they're trained somehow guys. I've been a coach before too. Somehow magagaling yung mga managers na feedbackan ka kung anong dapat sa scenario na ganito, sinabi sa'yo ng agent na hindi niya kaya na. So may mga uplifting kaming somehow process na pwede gawin para sa'yo kung maybe it can alleviate or not. Okay? Or worst case scenario, yun na nga, baka i-transfer ka na sa ibang account. Hopefully, yun yung mas maganda. Okay? That's basically it, guys. Kasi, guys, tandaan nyo, I know working as a calls, working is good. But, dapat, always nyo rin i-prioritize yung mental health nyo. Okay? Mas masaya kasi, guys, tandaan nyo, mas masaya kasi na nagtatrabaho ka and somehow you enjoy what you're doing. Okay? So, kung nai-enjoy mo pa siya, nakikita mo may laughter pa rin kayo, it's more like struggle siya to become better, then pursue mo. Okay? Kasi, nangyari rin sa akin yan when I was new. It's just, magaling lang ako mag-English yabang. Pero guys, hindi ako minto. I mean, my gosh, maniwala ka guys, ito nung AT&T days ko, AT&T, na nag-tech support kami, high-end device, mga Blackberries pa nun So, yung mga nakaka-relate dyan, okay? Yung mga 2009, no? 2008. Okay? Sa AT&T warranty team. Yan, siguro may makaka-relate. Yun, guys, talagang ang hirap. Hindi ko alam gagawin, hindi ko alam pasikot-sikot. But for me, hindi ako nag-resign kasi I know that even though I'm struggling, it's more like developing. Okay? I'm changing for the better. Okay? So, kaya pinurso ko siya. After nun, guys, in the long run, putya, gumaling ka na rin. Kasi, ba't di ka gagaling? Makakabisado mo eh. Di ba? O, for a struggle talaga siya ng 1 month na yun, guys. Struggle talaga. Tapos, after a month, gumaang na. So, sabi, minsan yung mga top concerns before, parang, kaya, alam ko na to dito yan eh, di ba? After ng 2 months mo, nung ika-3rd month mo, yan, medyo mayabang ka na magtuwa. Hindi, mali yan, ganyan. Yun yung first months mo as tech support. Okay? So, that's basically it, guys. Gusto ko lang kasi, makamahaba yung vlog, gusto ko lang i-emphasize sa inyo na stress is really part of being a call center agent. Okay? So, it's a good job, guys. So, kung kaya mo, okay, if there is still somehow kaya mong tumawa, kaya mo pa rin maging masaya while working under stress, do it, guys. Talagang i-push mo siya kasi the salary, everything, sooner or later, gagaang ang buhay mo. Okay? Mas mai-enjoy mo siya compared sa customer service. Yan yung final verdict ko. You will enjoy it more to be a technical support rather than customer service because you're helping people solve their issues, and kung talagang na-fix mo, guys, yung salita niya lang na, I'm thankful, I've talked to you, you're 1 in a million, it's really rewarding. Alright? So that's it, Pansit. So talk to you later, mga ka-teammates, and see you sa next vlog. Bye for now.